welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Zoe bag for April month. So this is the bag which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, I really want to tell you that this month's bag is really special and I'm really looking forward for this because it's their 2-year anniversary. So of course, congratulations Zoe bag and happy anniversary. Now let me tell you the price. Price for this one which I will be unboxing is 499 rupees, and they have one more variant which is the mini Zoe bag edition. For that you just have to pay 299 rupees. So if you are budget friendly, then you can go ahead for the mini one, but I would suggest go for this one because yes, I will be showing you all the products and you're gonna love it. So this is the bag and let me just open it. It's a red color jute bag. You can just see I love the packing. Now let me open this and all the products are here. Let's start with the first one. The first one is by McCaffeine. It's one of my favorite brands. I love their sunblocks. They are amazing. Even my sister loves it. This is the Cocoa Caffeine Face Scrub with argan oil. Exfoliate, hydrate and glow. This is for dry skin. So yes, I have to give this to my sister because my skin is combination skin, you can say. So I can't use products which are for dry skin. But my sister is going to love this one. 100 gram is the quantity. So of course, it's a full-size product. And this product is free from SLS, paraben, then this is not tested on animal, and this is FDA approved. And yes, a good product. As I said, McCaffeine products are really nice, so happy with this one. Price for this one is 399 rupees. Manufacture of January 2019, best before December 2020, so freshly made product, I would say. Then the next one is a face sheet mask. This is by Mirabella. And this is again a charcoal product. Charcoal product in summer is a really good thing, I guess. So I'm loving it. Very good combination. Summers and charcoal, yes. So this is the premium facial sheet mask, oil control, deep cleansing, pore control, specially designed for Indian skin for both men and women for dirt removal, oil control and fairness. So this is the one. The price for this one is 149 rupees. Of course, a very useful product. Now moving on to the next one. This is heavy, okay. This is by St. Devins and this is a Multani Mitti lotion with natural rose water, ready to use face pack. The next product is a face wash and this is by Nick. It's an activated charcoal face wash. 100 ml is the quantity, 153 rupees is the price. I love charcoal products, so I'm definitely going to try this one, though I don't really know the brand. This is my first time that I will be using this one, but yes, looking forward to use this. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Biotrix. It's an activated charcoal, a premium soap. It says draw out toxins and impurities, heals acne, blackheads, retain moisture. 90 rupees is the price. Looks nice, and of course this box is specially for charcoal products. So I'm loving it because as I said, charcoal in summers, it's a good combination. So yes, happy. Second last product is a nail paint. This is by L21 Star. The color is black, so if you really want to stand out, you can use this color. I'm not really sure where I'm going to use this, but yes, I will definitely try it once. Now, the last one is a really tasty thing. This is a low-fat bar by Right Bit Nutrition Bar. So, thank you, Zoe bag, for this. The price for this is 35 rupees. And whenever you are traveling, whenever you're out from your house, just you need some munchies in your bag. So, this is a perfect munchie. Thank you for this. Now, that's all for today. That's all for Zoe bag. You can just see all the products are really nice. All the products have charcoal except the face pack, I guess, and the nail paint. Nail paint is black, so you can say it is actually the collection part. Only this, the face pack, Multani Mitti face pack, is different. All other products are charcoal special. So yes, I personally love it. You have one soap, you have face wash, you have scrub, you have face pack, then you have facial sheet mask, then you have nail paint, then you have some eatables. So I think it's a perfect box. I'm really happy with it, and of course the total worth is, I guess, 1400 something. So yes, if you like it, you can go ahead and book your box for this month. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. That's all about Zoe bag, and before ending the video, let me just remind you about my giveaway, guys. Yesterday I've announced my giveaway. Of course, guys, go ahead and participate and show me some love. That's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.